What if I told you that right now, people with no marketing experience, no tech skills, and no upfront money are generating income every single day from a business that runs with minimal ongoing effort? No chasing clients, no complicated funnels, no endless content or ads. Just a system that works even while you sleep. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, that's what I thought at first too. But after more than a decade in the agency space, helping thousands of people build real, reliable income streams, I can tell you, this one's different. And while most people overlook it or set it up wrong, the ones who get it right, they're seeing results fast. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it, and the one mistake to avoid if you want it to actually work. Oh, and no, you don't need to become a full-time AI prompt wizard or build a website from scratch. So let's dive in. When choosing the right side hustle for you, there are three key factors to consider. First, it needs to be scalable, something that you can grow without constantly increasing your workload. Second, it should be low maintenance so that you can grow it and you don't simply end up with another full-time job. Lastly, it should have low barriers to entry. No large upfront investments or specialized skills or complex tech setups required. Now, let me explain exactly what you'll be doing and why this side hustle checks all of those boxes. So what you're going to be doing here is helping small local business owners like plumbers, electricians, and massage therapists get more clients and customers. And the beauty is you don't need to know a thing about marketing or sales to get started. You don't need to worry about Facebook ads or Google ads or SEO, any of that complicated techie stuff. Now, the reason this works so well is that local business owners desperately need more clients and more customers, but they lack the time and often the expertise to market themselves, which is where you come in, because you'll be referring them to a marketing software that automates everything for them, from onboarding to customer support, all without you having to lift a finger, because fingers are heavy. Imagine introducing a business owner to this platform and they start seeing immediate results. No babysitting, no troubleshooting, no tech stuff of any kind. The software does all the work, and you collect monthly recurring commissions as long as they stay on the platform. So why does this side hustle check all the boxes? This hourglass represents how long it took me to build my first agency system that actually worked. Years. I don't want it to take you that long. I've been using HighLevel to run the back end of 3 different 7-figure agencies, but here's the truth. The software doesn't get results. Systems do. That's why when you start your free trial through my link, I'm giving you my entire system completely free. $10,000 plus worth of assets. The scripts, the templates, the frameworks behind every campaign and funnel that's actually worked. This isn't theory. It's the operational playbook from 3 of my $1 million agencies, ready to deploy inside your dashboard. You get 30 days to try it, no risk, cancel anytime, keep the bonuses either way. Time's running, links below, everything you need to start is inside. First, this method is completely hands-off after the initial setup. You'll be using a powerful software that automates tasks like booking appointments and following up with clients and handling missed calls. This means that you'll earn passive income without dealing with the usual headaches of managing clients or running ads. Even better, this side hustle is scalable. The more local businesses you connect to the software, the more your income grows month after month. And because the software solves critical problems for these businesses, they won't want to leave. So you keep getting paid without any extra effort. The very best part though is that you don't need any marketing experience or tech skills or even upfront money. You're simply offering a free trial to businesses with no hard selling involved, just a genuine solution that helps them grow. It's a proven model that thousands are already using to generate serious income. Now, the next question that often comes up is, how does this actually work? And why would a business pay for this? Here's the key. The software you're going to be using for this is called HighLevel, and it solves a major problem that small businesses face every single day. They miss opportunities because they're not managing their client or customer relationships properly. Most business owners are so busy running their day-to-day operations that they let potential leads and potential customers simply slip through the cracks. They're not following up, they're missing calls, and therefore they're forgetting to schedule appointments and actually make sales. And the software automates all of that for us and more. For example, when a business misses a call, the AI employee steps in. It answers the call, it collects the client's or customer's information, and it even schedules an appointment on behalf of the business. It also automatically sends follow-up emails or text messages to ensure that no potential client ever slips through the cracks. Additionally, the platform syncs with the business's calendar to handle appointment scheduling seamlessly, automatically. And once business owners see how effortlessly this system improves their operations and boosts their revenue, they'll be hooked, and that's when your recurring commissions start rolling in. And this is just part of what makes this side hustle unlike any other that you've heard of. It's the ultimate passive income model. With this side hustle, you don't need to worry about managing ads or creating content or constantly hustling to make sales. See, once a business is set up with this software, you'll earn recurring income month after month without any additional effort. And trust me, once businesses start using the platform, they won't be leaving. The software quickly becomes essential to their operations. The beauty of this model is that you don't need any marketing experience or technical skills or even any upfront investment to get started. You're simply offering a free trial, which makes it one of the easiest sales that you'll ever make. There's no hard sell, just a proven system that helps businesses grow. What makes this even more compelling, though, is that this software, HighLevel, has already paid out over $78 million to people just like you and me who are referring local businesses to it. So you're joining a proven system that's delivering massive results. And the best part is there's almost no barrier to entry, as it's completely free to sign up for and test out and start getting clients, start making money before ever needing to spend even a single dime. And getting started and finding clients is much easier than you might think, so let me show you how to do that now. When it comes to getting clients, the internet is your best friend and most valuable tool, and you can start right now just by using Google to find small service-based businesses that could benefit from the software, like a plumber in Portland, Oregon, or massage therapist in Denver, Colorado, or any other service-based business that you can think of. That said, a bit of a pro tip here is to focus on small, independent businesses that aren't heavily advertising, as they're more likely to need help. These businesses like plumbers and electricians and roofers and personal trainers and photographers and massage therapists and counselors and realtors, well, these are all your ideal clients. These kind of businesses need more customers but often lack the resources or the knowledge to market themselves effectively. And this model works for pretty much any service-based business, from chiropractors to auto repair shops. If they take appointments and deal with clients, they can benefit from this software. Okay, so once that's done and you've identified potential businesses to contact, you can then reach out to them directly through a quick email or a phone call. I'll give you an example of what to write in just a second, but the key here is to keep your message short and simple and straightforward. The 3 S's, that's not actually a thing. And explain that you can help them get more customers without any upfront costs by offering them a free trial of the software. This makes it a very easy sell, as you're not asking them for money. Rather, you're offering them a proven solution to a very real and very painful problem that they have. Now, later on down the line, you can automate this whole outreach thing to save even more time and energy, as there are tools baked right into the software that let you send bulk emails and target multiple businesses all at once. But for now, let's keep it simple as all that you need to start making money here. Okay. Now let me show you an email template that I send to prospective clients that you're free to copy and use for yourself. Hey, business owner name. I see you're in the plumbing or electrician or etc. business. Did you know 62% of plumbers or electricians, etc. miss calls, and most customers don't leave voicemails. They just move on. I have a free trial of a tool that handles missed calls, books appointments, and follows up automatically. It's been helping plumbers, electricians, etc. businesses, just like yours, increase revenue automatically. Interested in checking it out? It's free, and you only pay when it delivers results. Yeah, it's that straightforward. I mean, no pressure, no hard sell. You're providing value up front, and once they see the benefits, you start earning monthly commissions, as they tend to stick with the software. And most businesses will stick with the software because this isn't some temporary fix or gimmick or hack. Rather, what you're offering them here is a comprehensive solution to one of their biggest daily challenges as a small business owner. And the software handles everything from missed calls and follow-ups to appointment scheduling and managing online reviews and generating more leads and sales and a ton of other very important and very valuable marketing services, all while streamlining the entire thing for them. And once business owners see how effortlessly it helps them attract and retain clients and customers and grow their business, they just don't want to stop using it. And as long as they stay on the platform, you'll continue earning 40% recurring commissions, one of the highest rates in the industry. This is what makes it truly semi-passive income, because once they're on board, your work is essentially done. Here's the deal. You have an opportunity right now to build a business that gives you total freedom, time, location, and financial. And you can get started today for free. But here's where it gets even better. When you sign up today, you're not just getting access to this killer software that automates everything for you. You're also getting a fully built and ready-to-go website designed to help you sell HighLevel to local businesses. So, no stressing about building one from scratch. Plus, I've got a pre-recorded sales video that'll do all the talking for you, so you can start seeing results even faster without having to sell. Still with me? Because it does get even better, as you're also going to get pre-written email templates to help you hook prospects and turn them into paying clients, along with ready-made social media videos to kickstart your side hustle right away. And just in case you need a little extra help along the way, you're also going to get a free setup session where we'll jump on Zoom with you and personally help you get everything set up and running. Not to mention daily coaching calls that you can jump on anytime, as well as access to a library of additional training content. And yes, all of this is 100% free. This really is one of those rare opportunities that sounds way too good to be true, but is actually 100% legitimate, and I really don't want you to miss out on it. This is your chance to start making real recurring income. No special skills, no crazy investment, nothing like that required. You can literally get started today for free, and soon you'll have commission checks rolling in on autopilot. So if that sounds good to you, then make sure to check out the links down in the descriptions below this video, and looking forward to seeing you on the inside.